What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Drifter HD coming to you with another unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing the Apple MacBook Pro 15-inch. I purchased this directly from Apple.com under the refurbished section. After shipping and everything, it came to a little bit under $1,500. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the unboxing video. Thanks. As this video comes to a close, please remember to rate, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Thanks for watching and peace.